In a dictionary, there are a couple of ways to do this. Okay, so if I have the same dictionary object where name equals Bob, age is 25, job is developer, email is this. If I wanted to print the employee's name, I would say print the employee name. Notice I'm using square brackets to access that data. Okay, so the curly braces are when you define or change the dictionary, when you define the dictionary. And then when I'm accessing that data, I'm using square brackets, but the key that goes with that. So what it prints in this case is going to be Bob. I can use the list data type or the dictionary data type has a method called get that returns what's in there. That's sort of the longhand way to do it. This is the shorthand way to do it. They're functionally the same.